Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. My videos are sporadic, I know, and I've been having health issues, work, so that's kind of the reason I haven't been on in a while. But I just wanted to do a quick video to reveal or share some of the SOGs that I picked up recently, and just kind of show you what I've gotten since maybe the middle of last year. So the first item is this Gucci piece, and I bought this to replace an item that I sold, and it's a similar item. So here's the box and the dust bag. And what I picked up was the Gucci Ophidia small wallet or card case. And I bought this to replace the GG Supreme card holder with the rainbow applique. I really liked that piece when I bought it, but after not even a week, I was like, this is just too trendy. It's not classic, and I kind of was over it, so I sold it. And I got this because this print, this pattern, the web design is, I think, more classic, and you can use this forever. So it's the traditional green-red web design with the gold hardware. It is the same exact setup as the other. There are 6 card slots. There is a space for coins, and then you have a compartment for your bills. And yeah, I love this piece. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm looking forward to using it. So that's the first item that I picked up. Now the second piece that I'm using, I've wanted for a while, and I'm actually using it, so that's a plus. It came in this box, and here's the dust bag right there. And the piece that I picked up is the Minio case from Chanel. This is in the lambskin leather with the silver hardware. And I've been using this as a mini wallet. So I just kind of usually I keep a lip balm, and I have the Chanel Le Beige lip balm. I have my cards, and I also keep some coins in there. And I really love this piece. I love lambskin. It's really soft. I haven't had any problem with it. I'm not careful with it at all. I use it pretty much every day, and I love it. So that's the second piece, and I got this around June of last year. And the piece that I picked up the beginning of this year is another item from Chanel, and it came in this box. And here is the dust bag, and this is the tag, and this is from, let's see, 18B, so I think that's fall, winter. And what I got was another O case, and this is in the beige, and I really like it. And when I first got it, I was like in love with it. I haven't used it, but I think I may sell this. I'm not sure. I really love the color, and that's why I got it. And I kind of wanted this for like my lip balms. There's an authenticity card in there. But I love the color. It's pretty basic, pretty neutral, and it's just the silver hardware, and this is the textured, not lambskin, but calfskin. Yeah, calfskin. And kind of looks like caviar leather, but it isn't. Really soft. Really cool piece. But I think I may sell this. I'm 90% sure I will. I'm not sure. But if I do, I kind of want another O case, maybe in a brighter color. So yeah, these are the pieces that I got, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you very soon. Bye.